In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag people on LinkedIn post. If you want to mention someone in a LinkedIn post so they're notified and your content feels more connected, the process is very simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along in real time. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to your main feed. This is the home area where you normally see updates, posts, and activity from your network. Starting from the feed makes it easy to create a brand new post and add your tag right away. Once you're on the feed page, look for the post creation box and click on Start a Post. This opens the Composer window where you can type the message you want to share. If you're new to posting on LinkedIn, this is the same place you would use to publish text updates, announcements, or professional insights. Now, with the post window open, use Ctrl+2 on your keyboard. This is the key action in this workflow, so make sure your cursor is active inside the post text area before you do it. Using the keyboard shortcut helps trigger the tagging or mention behavior so you can identify the person you want to include in your post. After that, LinkedIn will show a suggested drop-down list of profiles. From this list, select the correct profile. Take a second here to make sure you choose the right person, especially if several people have similar names or job titles. Picking the correct profile ensures the proper account is tagged and avoids confusion in your final post. Once the profile is selected, finish writing your message. You can add any remaining text around the tag so the post sounds natural and professional. It's usually a good idea to quickly reread everything before publishing, just to confirm the mention appears correctly and the message says exactly what you want it to say. When you're happy with the final result, click Post. Your update will go live on LinkedIn and the tagged person will be included in the post. That's all it takes to tag someone in a LinkedIn post. As a quick tip, always keep your mentions relevant to the content you're sharing so your post stays professional and useful for your audience. With just a few clicks, you can make your LinkedIn posts more engaging and more connected to the people you're talking about.